Hello people, so today I'm gonna show you how to use Tone.js. So with this definition, you will know that Tone.js is a web audio framework for creating interactive music in the browser. So yes, you can use it on your browser, but here the installation is using the npm, but for this job, for this video, we will not use npm, but rather than we go to the ToneJS GitHub. Yes, to here, then you'll see, click here. So you just need to go to the release, and here you can download this Tone.js, which I already downloaded, so just skip it. And then you can just copy this, so you just need to create a new you can go to using XAMPP, which is Apache, and then docs, and this is no, it can be created. No, I need to create it manually. So I should create a manual folder here. Yes, I can go just here, make it just created a new folder, ToneJS, which is the first one, so I just named it 1. Okay, then let's go to it with ToneJS 1. Okay, and open. Okay, nice. So the next thing is you just need to save a new file, which is a HTML file. Edit to HTML. Then the VS Code is very smart with this auto completion. So ToneJS 1. Okay, and then there is one script. Okay, we should copy the ToneJS. What is that? ToneJS. Here it is. Here and here. Yes, or just to assets. JS. Okay. Just need to script src. Assets JS ToneJS. Okay, and then here you go to the script and just copy this. This is the hello tone, which is the hello world from ToneJS. Okay, format. Okay, and then you go to localhost class /tone.js/1. Oops, I haven't start. Start the Apache. Okay, it's already started, so we just need to refresh. Okay, the sound doesn't appear. What's this? toDestination, not a function. Should I here? Should we call it here? toDestination. I don't know. Okay, I think the toDestination is deprecated or something like that. I don't know. I forgot. Okay, and then after the error, we see that the audio context was not allowed to start. It must be resumed or created after a user gesture on the page. So there is a security autoplay policy changes. So you just need to wrap the audio context in a user action when user interacted with the page. So you just need to wrap the you need to make a one element, which is button, click to play. Okay, and then here you need to wrap this with document dot get element by tag name, this button. Okay, the first button, and then dot add fn listener, click function. Okay, we just paste this. Okay, it should be good now. Nice. Okay, so we've already done this, and then the next thing we are going to do, how duration is. Okay, it's just 8. Okay, and then what should we so there's an instrument which you can change. So rather than you put the synth here, you can just put the FM synth, which allow you to the different sound. The theory, the music theory behind this is really simple, but the main thing is for this time I'll just show you how to apply the Tone.js. So there's no theory after all. So I think we can just change the oscillator type, like synth.oscillator type. There is a fourth type, which is sine, square, triangle, and then I think it's sawtooth, so you can just okay, go to square. It's quite so irritating. How about triangle? Okay, it's quite normal, and you can make it much more convenient with some number like 2, 4, 8, and 16. So we can try 2. Okay, you can try 4. Okay, and then we can try 16. I don't know. These things doesn't work. Yep. It should be. There will be some differences. Like one like this. Okay. So there you go. This is the script. I mean, when I first starting using ToneJS, I was confused on how to use the npm version. So I found that you can just use this release, just download the script and just put the script here, and again the toDestination, which is the previous is toDestination. It's showing an error, so I was confused, but I already found the answer, so I share it to you guys. And then the next thing that I already found is here, the Autoplay Policy Changes, that makes the ToneJS, I mean the AudioContext, which is the web audio API, will never work until the user interact to the page. So like you make a button, so let the user play it by clicking it like this. Okay, I think this is enough, and see you next time, guys.